Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this video I'm going to show you some amazing indicator, and at the end of the video you will say wow, because in this video I'm going to show you a live demo as well. So first of all I will show you a live demo as well. You can see this is the profit and this is my signal, and you can see this is a very accurate signal, you can see, and now you can see the accuracy. Okay, so you can see, okay, this signal come, and let me show you the previous signal. Okay, let's see, this one is the signal. Here you got the hammer candle, or you can say a sell signal. Also you have need to go for the sell trade from this point, and you have need to book the profit when you got the buy signal. Okay, this is 100% not repeated, and let's see the accuracy of this one. Okay, it's amazing one, and you will get consistent profit, a lot of profit on the daily basis. So you can see the accuracy. Okay, this one is the buy signal from this point, and you can book your profit here. This is the sell signal, and you got the signal here. So here you got the buy signal, and you can see the accuracy around more than 90% of accuracy. Okay, you can see you got the sell signal, and you got exit at this point, and you can see accuracy is amazing. Okay, this is the buy signal, you got the buy signal at this point, and you have to book your profit at this point. Okay, and this is the sell signal actually, and you have got the signal, you can book exit your trade at this point, and now you can go for the sell trade, and you can book your profit here. Okay, let's see the buy signal, where we got the buy signal. Okay, we got the buy signal, we got the sell buy trade, and you can see the accuracy is amazing. Okay, so let's start the today video, and first of all I have need to show you some my trading view scripts. So here you can see these are my all trading view scripts, and you have need to add only two indicators, because in free account you can add only two indicators. So we have need to add two indicators. So first of all we have need to copy the code, control A, control C, then go to your trading view chart and go to Pine Editor, and here you will find an option to paste your codes, and control A, control V, and then here you find option add to chart, and then here we go, and we have need to change some setting. So just go to setting, and we are using 1 minute time frame, so we will not use 1 minute time frame. We have need to use 5 minute time frame, and then go to setting. And if you are using 5 minute time frame, then you have need to select here 5 minute to 15 minute. Okay, and if you want to use 15 minute, you have need to select 30 minute. If you want to use 30 minute, you have need to select 45 minute, and if you want to use 45 minute, you have need to select 1 hour. So the one time higher, so you have need to select one time higher. Okay, so we are using 5 minutes, so we have need to select 15 minute, and then go to upper. Here you can see T3, select and your color change if you want, and that's it, and that's okay. Now yes, indicator will be look like this one, because no, but this one is not the exact, and you can say there is no signals as well, so we have need to find the signals. So just go to again, and here you will find the indicators, simple hoga TMA. Go, and you have need to copy again the code, copy the code, go to your Pine Editor again. Here you have need to paste your code, and then here is the option to add to chart. Then it's compiling, and now it's done. I think yes, it's done. In the BTC you will see exactly and zero fake signal in the BTC, Bank Nifty, and some stock. So let's start the video, and how you can go for the buy trade and sell trade. Just before going to telling you the rules, I have need to show you a setting as well, because here you have need to select 48. After selecting 48, just go to OK. Okay, now your system will be look like this one, and this system is exactly give you the accuracy of more than 90%. Just follow the rules that I am going to tell you in the video. So let's start. Here you can see, but this there are some cross signals. Okay, there are some cross signals, but in this cross signal will only show in the BTC, Bank Nifty, and some stock. Okay, it will not work on all the stock. Let me show you. In the forex, let's euro USD, open the euro USD, and you can see the accuracy amount. Yeah, okay, now there is some dark cloud. Okay, here is a dark cloud. Let me show you clearly. Okay, now here you can see there are some dark cloud, so we have not executed because it's just called a, you can say it's a sell signal, or you can say it's a it's going to tell you you can exit your trade, but we will not exit our trade. We have need to wait until we got the this sell signal. So we have need to stick on your trade and just need to wait for the sell signal like this one, because this indicator is simple awesome. Okay, and you can see the accuracy of my system. So we have need to stick on the trade, and let's talk about the trading view system. Okay, in the trading view system you can see the accuracy is more than okay. One more thing, I have need to change something here. Yes, that was the missing point and I was thinking about it. You have need to select 73. Okay, okay, now that is okay. Okay, study is simple. When the adopt, yeah, this one is the is your band lines. Okay, at upper band line, lower band line, and the middle band line. Okay, and this is adopt trend line. When the adopt trend line cross the lower band line, okay, remember when the adopt trend line, this is adopt trend line. When the adopt trend line cross the lower band line and you got the buy signal, you have to go for the buy trade, and you can book the profit when any candle tie to the upper band line. Okay, like this again, you got the buy signal, candle adopt trend line is below from the lower band line, you can go for the buy trade and you can book the profit at this point. Okay, now you can see this is the lower band line and you can go for the, and this is some type of news maybe, I think, and amazing. Okay, now you can see you got the sell signal and you have need to book the profit when candle cross the adopt trend line. Okay, you got sell signal, you can see you can go for the sell trade from this point and you can book your profit, a very small profit at this point. Okay, and now the adopt trend line is crossing the lower band line, you have need to wait for the buy signal. When you got the buy signal, you have to go for the buy trade. Let me show you a live demo. Hopefully we will get some signal, hopefully. Okay, no signal here, no signal here. Okay, no signal here actually here, but this one buy signal and this one a buy signal and so on. So we are looking for the live demo, hopefully we will get. Yes, we got the signal here and you can see you book profit. This is again signal, you got the profit and you can go for the sell trade from this point and you can book your profit here. Okay, we are looking for the exact signal. Yes, see this one. This adopt trend line cross the upper band line. You got the sell signal. You can go for the sell trade, book your profit. Okay, you can go for the buy trade and you can go for the buy trade. You can go for the buy trade, buy trade, buy trade. Okay, and all the signals are 100% profitable. Okay, this is something else. Okay, this one you got buy signal and amazing results. Okay, and let's see the results in some other page. Yes, this one was amazing, this signal was amazing. Okay, and let's see the results. Okay, maybe yes, no, 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 you can go for the buy trade, sell trade from this point if you want, because you did not get the sell signal here. Okay, I have need to show something interesting for you. Like this one, you can see you got the sell signal, candle adopt line is upside from the upper band line. You can go for the sell trade and you can book your profit here. Okay, like you can go for the buy trade and you can book the profit at this point. Okay, buy trade and profitable, and buy trade and profitable, so on. And this one sell signals, okay, and profitable. Okay, and we are looking for the exact live demo. Yes, we got around hopefully we will get the signal here, and when we got the signal, we have to go for the buy trade in gold. Okay, and hopefully it will give you the amazing results. Okay, and like this one sell signal, this one sell signal, and give you accurate results and amazing results. Okay, And let me show. Okay, we are looking for this one as well. Okay, we have to you can see there's some dark cloud and market is going down. Okay, and when you got the green signal, actually you can say is a bullish influence and bull crossover bullish variance, so you can see there are some green signal, and now you can see, yeah, there is some dark signal. Okay, dark signal, that means you have some sell signal. So it's that doesn't matter, but we have need to wait until we got the profit. Like this one, you can see there are some lines, and when this line is touching to the upper band line, like this one, you can see there is some sell signal, or you can say there is will be some resistance. So this will work as a maybe market will go down some, and then when market goes up. Okay, because this signal is giving you an exactly and accurate results. Like this when you got the signal, and when you got the sell signal here, then you can see how market is going down and give you accurate results. This is some news maybe, I think, but this signal keep you away that just stick on the trade and you will get accurate results. Okay, okay, we are talking about the trading view scripts. Okay, now we will get the sell signal. No, we did not get the buy signal. Okay, hopefully we'll get the buy signal soon, maybe after 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, but we have need to wait for the buy signal. When we got the buy signal, we have need to go for the buy trade, because like this one, a top trend line is crossing the lower band line, and when you got the buy signal, you have need to go for the buy trade. Okay, and you will get the profitable trade. Like this one, you can see upper line, top trend line is crossing the upper band line, you got the signal and you can book your profit. Again signal and you got the profit. Again signal, you got the profit. Again signal and you got the profit. Okay, first, second, third, and fourth consecutive profit in the in this scenario, four consecutive sell trade, and all the four trades are giving you amazing results. Okay, like you can see, when the top trend line is crossing the lower band, market goes up, and when the top trend line is crossing the upper band line, you can see market is going down, and market goes up. Okay, so this is the scenario for all the strategy, and amazing result all the time, and you will get consistent profit all the time. Okay, we are talking about the Bitcoin, and let's move, because Bitcoins, there is something special for you, and this one is a special. Like this one, you can see you got the buy signal. That means the market is going up. BTC is going to be upside. Okay, why? Because you will get consistent profit by using this, only this TMA. Okay, only this TMA will give you consistent profit. How? Because when you got cross signal, that's mean you do not need to go for the buy trade. When you got only signal, question mark signal, you have need to go for the sell trade, book your profit. Sell trade, book your profit. This is one, you can see dot cross signal, that means do not go for the buy trade. When you got only signal, you can go for the buy trade and you can book your profit. Again buy trade and book your profit here. Again buy trade and book your profit. Again sell trade, book your profit, and now this is your buy trade, and give you accurate results all the time, and we will get consistent profit. Okay, and if you need my script and trading view script or MT4, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Let me show you my WhatsApp contact detail, because these scripts are paid, so these are not free. If you need just in few dollars, you can get my all script or trading view system. And if you need, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. This is my Telegram, and this is simpleog@gmail.com. Because and if you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember there are some fake Telegram channels, so you do not have need to join them. Just personal contact me and write one at the end. Okay, because there's some fake Telegram channel, you do not have need to join fake Telegram channels. Otherwise you can waste your money. Okay, or a scammer, this is a scammer. Okay, at the rate simple hoga and data. So okay, this one is there is some fake Telegram channel of this name, so write one at the end, so you can personally contact me on my Telegram. Okay, hopefully I will sort out this one. And because there are some fake Telegram channel, one fake Telegram channel, and who I am facing a lot of question that he demanding money and scamming with the people. So I will try my best that I will tell my audience. So just report him, write one at the end, and that is the exact my telegram channel. Okay, hopefully you will like my video. Any question, any query, you can ask me, because this bank nifty. Okay, let me show you the bank nifty. Hurry up, bank nifty, because mostly Indian people demand for the bank nifty results. So let me show you this one. You can see exactly sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, and market will go you definitely good profit. Okay, buy trade and book your profit, sell trade, book your profit. Okay, this man, do not go for the sell trade from this point. Go for the sell trade, book your profit. Go for the buy trade, and book your profit here. Okay, you will get the consistent as zero fake signal in the whole strategy. Just keep your eyes on the cross signal. That means you do not need to go for the sell trade. And when you got the single question mark signal, that means you can go for the sell trade or buy trade. When you got green question mark signal, go for the buy trade. When you got red question mark, you go for the sell trade. Okay, and when you got the signal with the cross, that means you do not need to go for the buy or sell trade. Okay, hopefully you will like my video. Any question, any query, you can ask me. If you need my script, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, Telegram. Write one at the end, because this is the exact my Telegram, and there is some fake Telegram channels, so you have need to stay away. And this is they, because they are these are scammers, so you have need to stay away from them. And this is simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay, hopefully you will like my video. Any question, any query, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.